Let me tell you about a patient of mine. Let's call her Carol. For 30 years, Carol's life revolved around her children. The school runs, the soccer games, the family dinners. Her house was always filled with noise and life. But last month, her youngest child left for college, and the silence in her home became deafening. She came to my office last week, not with a physical illness, but with a heavy heart. She told me, "Doctor, I feel like I've lost my purpose." Hello, I am Dr. Mariz, and welcome to the Modern Senior. Carol's story is the story of millions. It has a name, empty nest syndrome. It's not a clinical diagnosis, but it is a real and painful emotional state. It's a feeling of grief and loneliness that can lead to depression and anxiety if not addressed. Today, we will talk about how to navigate this challenging new chapter of your life. Carol told me she couldn't sleep. Her beautiful garden, once her pride and joy, now felt like a chore. She would find herself just sitting in her son's empty room, feeling a profound sense of loss. She thought, maybe this is just what getting old feels like. But I told her, "Carol, this is not just getting old. This is grief for a role you have cherished, and just like any grief, we can learn to move through it and find what's on the other side." So, what was the advice I gave her? It wasn't about medication, it was about rediscovery. First, reconnect with yourself. I asked her, "Before you were a mom, what did you love to do?" She remembered her love for painting. Second, reconnect with your community. Find a local club, a volunteer group, or a church organization. Shared purpose is a powerful antidote to loneliness. Third, set a new goal. It doesn't have to be big. It could be planning a trip you've always dreamed of, learning a new language with an app, or even just finishing that book that's been on your nightstand for years. Your life is not over when your children leave. It is the beginning of your second act, a chapter where you are the main character. If you are feeling like Carol, please know that you are not alone and your feelings are valid. Allow yourself to grieve the chapter that has closed, but then give yourself permission to be excited about the chapter that is just beginning. Find your new purpose. Your best years may still be ahead of you. This is what we do here at the Modern Senior. We talk about the real challenges of aging. If this story resonated with you, please click the subscribe button to hear more of my patients' experiences. I am Dr. Mariz. Stay safe and stay hopeful.